Today I'm going to be making some chicken salad. I have a baked chicken that I cooked a couple days ago and we didn't finish it off, and so I'm going to take it and cut it up in the chunks and make this chicken salad. And pull off some of that fat. So I'm going to cut this chicken up and I'll be right back. My chicken is all cut up, and even though I brined it when I cooked it previously, I'm still going to add a little bit more salt to it just because I don't think there was enough on it when I did before. This is a 50-50 mixture of salt and pepper, and the amount that I'm putting on here now is probably no more than, I'd say, about a quarter teaspoon of salt and pepper. And I'm putting it on at this stage so that it gets on the meat and flavors that meat. And I'll probably put a little bit more in there as I mix all the other ingredients. What I have already prepared, chopped up, I've got a little bit, I guess about a half a cup of celery, a half a cup of green onion, a half a cup of green bell pepper, and about a tablespoon of relish, sweet relish. In addition, I'm going to put some capers in here. That capers add a nice little taste to it, and I like that pickly type flavor also there. And I'm going to mix all that up. And as I mentioned, I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper. Not much, because remember I got those capers in there and that sweet relish. I've got some mayonnaise that I'm going to add. And this container is almost out, and I've got another backup here though. And putting in probably about a half a cup of mayo to start. May add a little bit more later on, depending on how everything mixes together. So we'll mix that all up. Once that's combined, then I'll take my chicken, add it back to this mixture, and combine it. If it looks a little or feels a little dry, just add a little bit of this caper juice, and that'll open it up some. If you don't have capers, you just use regular pickle relish, more pickle relish in it. And see there. Chicken salad, quickly done, from refrigerated baked chicken left over from a meal previously. Now what we'll do with this, we'll taste it to make sure that I've got enough seasoning in it. And that's just a matter of picking up a piece of chicken. And actually I think I need a little bit more. That was a little bland. Mix it a little more. And a lot of times the amounts that are used in this is just not specific. It's to what you feel is enough. Do I have enough mayonnaise? Do I have enough onion? Do I have enough garlic? Do I have enough chicken, salt, or pepper? Okay, now that's ready to go on a sandwich, on a salad. With some lettuce, tomato, or however you like it. Chicken salad. Now that I've got my chicken salad prepared, I'm going to make myself a chicken salad sandwich. I've got some rye bread, and it doesn't have to be rye, it can be any kind of bread you want. I just happen to have rye in my refrigerator. Piece of plastic from the wrapper there. I just happen to have rye bread in my refrigerator, and just load it on there. It probably would taste better if it were in the refrigerator for a while, so that all the different seasonings and celery, onion, bell pepper, all those flavors can meld together. Take it and cut it in half. There we have it, chicken salad sandwich.